Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding the model and resource target, smaller models for low latency, larger for quality. Once chosen, set up Python 3, 10 or newer inside a clean virtual environment and install Q2match drivers and toolkit. Make sure you allocate a fast NVMe partition and confirm checksums on downloaded weights to avoid corruption. Then, prepare a reproducible environment file with pinned package versions so you can iterate quickly without surprises. Next, load the model with an appropriate runtime. Use Hugging Face transformers for PyTorch acceleration or Llama. CPP for CPU-focused deployments. Once loaded, apply quantization like 8-bit or 4-bit to reduce memory. If you have multiple GPUs, shard weights and enable model parallelism. Make sure to enable AMP and Tensor Core optimizations where available. Configure tokenization, sequence length, batching, and a cache warm-up so inference is steady and latency, predictable under realistic load. Finally, deploy the model behind a production server exposing REST or gRPC and implement rate limits and timeouts to protect resources. Scale by adding replicas, auto-scaling on GPU availability, or pooling GPU instances. Monitor latency, memory, and throughput metrics constantly. For graceful shutdowns, drain traffic and save checkpoints. If you encounter out-of-memory errors or instability, reduce batch size, switch to lower precision quantization, free GPU caches, or enable CPU offloading. This single troubleshooting step resolves most runtime issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.